Manual tube sealing machine. Switch on the power. Set the sealing time first. Then adjust the temperature as needed. Press the pedal. A blinking red light indicates the machine is ready for sealing. Adjust the stand according to the tube's height to ensure enough space for proper sealing. This machine ensures strong and leak-proof tube sealing, making the packaging secure and durable. It can easily seal plastic and laminated tubes, making it suitable for various industries. Once the height is set, tighten the stand securely with the screws. Perfect for industries like pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food, and chemicals. Hold the tube firmly by its open end. Place the tube in the heating block and press the pedal to seal its open end. With a heat-resistant handle and firm grip, this machine provides safe and convenient operation. Place the tube in the cooling block for a proper seal. The tube is now completely sealed. Repeat the same process for the next tube. The adjustable stand allows sealing of tubes of different sizes effortlessly. Equipped with a cooling block to ensure the seal sets properly and remains strong. The tube is securely sealed and leak-proof, ready for dispatch.